Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Wish cat figure. This is part of their collaboration with NCT Wish, and let's see the options that we have. So the options we have are Lucky, Cuckoo, Soda, Berry, Bullshit, and Melody. And in each box, you get this bag keychain, the actual beaded keyring, you get a cat, pom-poms, deco stickers, and a card. Out of all of them, I don't really have a preference, but Soda seems really cute because of the heart. Without further ado, let's open it. I have Cuckoo. Cuckoo. So this is the book bag. There are cat ears on it. The actual chain is red. These pom-poms are red, green, gray, and white. We have the figure. He's kind of heavy. This is the stand. Like this. Here's the sticker pack. Let's take a look at this card. Three, two, one. Cuckoo. Now let's decorate the bag. I think I'm satisfied with this. You can barely see his face. And this is how it'll hang from a bag or whatever. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.